Hello everyone, this is Anne. Welcome to my channel, and today I want us to look at a very simple way of earning $2 and $4 unlimited paid to you by doing a very simple task online. I'd like to introduce you to a CPA network company called Joomla, and I'm going to be leaving a link below this video for you to be able to sign up for free with no cost. Once you sign up, you'll be able to set up your website and get you earning. So this is what I'm talking about: unlimited $2, unlimited $4 for every email lead that you send to this company. Joomla is based in New Zealand. It's founded by a great man called Reno, and it's available globally. So you can work from anywhere in the world, and you will be able to be receiving this kind of amount every single month. This is a few days earning. This is pending $248, awaiting approval. There was another payment that was approved last week, and I got to withdraw. So you're able to earn $4 or $2 depending with the country where the lead is. For USA, UK, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, you will earn $4 for every lead that you get from those countries. Any other country, you will be able to get $2. There's no reason why you wouldn't be able to make money online with this kind of opportunities. It is very easy, and it is free to sign up. Click at the link that is below this video. Sign up is free. Go to your email. You will receive an email from Joomla. Make sure that you confirm, you activate registration, and once you do that, it will lead you to the members site. At the members site, you will be able to create your website, just like this one that I showed you here. You will be able to get your special link, which is linked to your website. And once you connect with people from around the globe and they sign up using your link, you are paid this kind of money. It is easy. Everyone can do it. You can use a smartphone, you can use a laptop. Go ahead, sign up, start making money today. See you on the inside.